Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man, here today. We're talking about the famous catalytic converter on your vehicle, and almost everybody's vehicle, unless you own an electric vehicle, which is known as an EV. They don't have catalytic converters. You've probably heard of these in the news a lot lately. A lot of them have been being stolen off of vehicles. But today we're kind of talking about replacement of the catalytic converter and how it often gets blamed for smog failures when a lot of times it's not the catalyst's fault. There's different types of catalytic converters, obviously, and different applications. There's quite a bit of information when it comes to replacing a catalyst. It must be certified to your specific vehicle. So it's very important. But what we found a lot is often vehicle fails smog. Folks are recommended to replace a catalyst because of an emission failure. We end up doing testing and find out it's actually not the catalyst. It's part of the fuel control system, which includes everything from oxygen sensors, air-fuel ratio sensors, some mass airflow sensors can be causing issues. If the wrong fuel mixture is put into the car, the catalyst does not work properly. You need to have your vehicle diagnosed properly by a qualified facility to save you money and prevent replacement of a good catalyst. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Auto Man, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.